Catalog. https://wa. Me, C, 918,940,569,789. For more my sales details, please follow my YouTube channels. Click the following links. https://www. YouTube.com @A2Z-Alproductcellulocost. https://youtube.com channel UCVavBumacPTXOZADOA_A. C equals TNZI0QY3 Hills 23JW. https://youtube.com @English Literatures. C equals PPUFXPKG Snacks. For PGTRB, CTET, UGTRB, Catalog. https://wa. Me, P, 9,531,099,040,233,483, 918,940,500, 9189405699789. Like this PDF daily test I will send. Weekly test, Monday to Friday, at 100 per month. For more details WhatsApp. +91 89405 69789. English Major Topics 10 marks. PGTRB Psychology Test. In English, 5 marks. PGTRB GK 5 marks. In English, blank. 20 marks. Blank. Adenize topic-based MCQs, difficulty level, 5. What is the primary theme of Adenize, by Percy Bysshe Shelley? A. The triumph of life over death. B. The immortality of the soul. C. The beauty of nature. D. The transient nature of life and the grief of death. Answer. D. The transient nature of life and the grief of death. In Adenize, who is the central figure being mourned by Shelley? A. Lord Byron. B. John Keats. C. Samuel Taylor Coleridge. D. William Blake. Answer. B. John Keats. What form of poem is Adenize, by Percy Bysshe Shelley? A. Ballad. B. Ode. C. Sonnet. D. Epic. Answer. B. Ode. Which of the following literary techniques is prominently used in Adenize to depict the theme of immortality? A. Allegory. B. Personification. C. Metaphor. D. Hyperbole. Answer. B. Personification. In Adenize, which Greek god is mentioned as taking Adenize to the heavens? A. Apollo. B. Zeus. C. Hermes. D. Venus. Answer. A. Apollo. Adenize author life and work based MCQs, difficulty level, 5. What major event in Percy Bysshe Shelley's life influenced the writing of Adenize? A. The death of his wife, Harriet. B. The death of his son, William. C. The death of his close friend, John Keats. D. The failure of his political aspirations. Answer. C. The death of his close friend, John Keats. Which of the following works is not written by Percy Bysshe Shelley? A. Prometheus Unbound. B. Ode to the West Wind. C. To a Skylark. D. The Rime of the Ancient Mariner. Answer. D. The Rime of the Ancient Mariner. This was written by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. How did Percy Bysshe Shelley's political beliefs influence his literary works? A. He wrote mainly about social issues and government reform. B. His works focused on the importance of monarchy and hierarchy. C. His radical political views were reflected in his advocacy for atheism and revolution. D. His works were mostly apolitical, focusing on nature. Answer. C. His radical political views were reflected in his advocacy for atheism and revolution. In addition to being a poet, what other role did Percy Bysshe Shelley hold in society during his life? A. He was a renowned philosopher. B. He was an influential politician. C. He was an outspoken critic of social injustice. D. He was a famous playwright. Answer. C. He was an outspoken critic of social injustice. What was the cause of Percy Bysshe Shelley's death? A. Drowning in a boating accident. B. A horseback riding accident. C. Tuberculosis. D. A self-inflicted gunshot wound. Answer. A. Drowning in a boating accident. PGTRB Educational Psychology Unit 3, Depth Level 5. Which of the following theories emphasizes the role of reinforcement in shaping human behavior? A. Cognitive learning theory. B. Social learning theory. C. Operant conditioning theory. D. Constructivist learning theory. Answer. C. Operant conditioning theory. According to Vygotsky's zone of proximal development, what is the role of a more knowledgeable other, MKO? A. To monitor the learner's progress. B. To provide cognitive support that helps the learner perform tasks they cannot do alone. C. To passively observe the learner's actions. D. To evaluate the learner's intelligence. Answer. B. To provide cognitive support that helps the learner perform tasks they cannot do alone. Which of the following best describes Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development? A. Cognitive development is a result of direct teaching and instruction. B. Cognitive development proceeds through a series of stages that are universal and invariant. C. Cognitive development depends entirely on social interaction. D. Cognitive development is a purely biological process. Answer. B. Cognitive development proceeds through a series of stages that are universal and invariant. In Erikson's psychosocial development theory, the primary conflict in adolescence is between A. Trust vs. mistrust. B. Autonomy vs. shame. C. Identity vs. role confusion. D. Integrity vs. despair. Answer. C. Identity vs. role confusion. Which of the following is an important implication of Vygotsky's idea of scaffolding in the educational setting? A. Teachers should avoid providing any assistance to students, allowing them to discover solutions on their own. B. Teachers should provide graduated support to students, gradually withdrawing help as learners become more capable. C. Learning is solely the responsibility of the student, and teachers should refrain from offering any help. D. Teachers should only teach concepts that are already in the student's zone of proximal development. Answer. B. Teachers should provide graduated support to students, gradually withdrawing help as learners become more capable. PGTRB-GK Unit 3, Very Confusing Level 5. Which of the following countries has a national animal depicted on its flag? A. India. B. Sri Lanka. C. United States. D. Canada. Answer. B. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka's flag features a lion, which is its national animal. Which is the longest river in the world? A. Nile. B. Amazon. C. Yangtze. D. Mississippi. Answer. B. Amazon. Though traditionally the Nile, the Amazon has recently been confirmed as the longest. Who was the first emperor of the Roman Empire? A. Julius Caesar. B. Augustus. C. Nero. D. Tiberius. Answer. B. Augustus. Which of the following is the official name of the European Union's governing body? A. European Commission. B. European Parliament. C. European Court of Justice. D. European Central Bank. Answer. A. European Commission. While all are key bodies, the European Commission is the executive branch. Which country was the first to grant women the right to vote in national elections? A. United States. B. New Zealand. C. United Kingdom. D. Australia. Answer. B. New Zealand. Please to see the downside, or scroll down the page. We are providing all major weekly test batch at 100, join now. And we are providing all kinds of school, project, teaching aids, record, writing work for all degree members. If you need this service, text me. All kinds of government job requirement exam, the question bank at very low cost. We are providing all competitive exam MCQ bank at low cost. If you worried about psychology part marks in all teachers requirement exam means, don't worry. I will give. For PGTRB, UGTRB CTET, TNTET, KTET all kinds of teachers requirement exam in SK Mangal educational psychology book based only most of the MCQs are coming. So if you needed this book oriented MCQ bank at low cost means call now. If you want to get success in PGTRB English major means test practice is must. So we are giving question bank for all major at Rs. 1000 only. PGTRB all major question bank at low cost Rs. 1000 only. UGTRB all major question bank at low cost Rs. 1000 only. PGTRB Polytechnic all major question bank at low cost Rs. 1000 only. CTET paper 1 and 2 all major question bank at low cost Rs. 1000 only. For all major weekly test PDF will send. This service cost only 100 rupees per month. Call now. If you want model PDF text me a call may I will send. Thank you. PGTRB daily test batch per month 200 rupees per pay and make it practice every day. Then you will get PGTRB exam in more marks. So utilize this offer. TNPSC all types of examination MCQ online test batch per month 99 rupees per only. Join now. Thank you.